now got the ball rolling. But in the Vipaksh camp, which is the opposition, the situation, however, doesn't appear to be that simple for all, because when we speak of the key players in Mahagathbandhan, there seems to be a race. Now, Mukesh Saini, who has now admitted that all is not well in the alliance, and there seems to be a series of back-to-back meetings that have been taking place to finalize the seat-sharing arrangement, as well as the Mahagathbandhan formula as well. So let's take a look. What are these issues that seems to be plaguing the Mahagathbandhan ahead of the Bihar elections? The sticking points that we are talking of, one of the hurdles is no consensus over CM face in the Mahagathbandhan. That seems to be one of the topmost sticking points there. There has been all parties who seems to be backing for Tejasvi for CM, except the Congress party, because Tejasvi seems to be backing Rahul Gandhi as the PM face, but same hasn't been reciprocated on part of Congress's side to project Tejasvi as a CM face. Now, all parties are backing CM Tejasvi except Congress, but the VIP seems to be claiming only 20 seats and the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. So that seems to be another hurdle as far as when it comes to the aspirations that other political parties have in the Mahagathbandhan. Now, CPI-ML is also demanding 40 seats, citing 2020 strike rate. This seems to be a big jump in the previous formula. But when it comes to the RJD, one of the biggest parties in the opposition Mahagathbandhan, they want the 3 deputies formula to be applicable if they come to power. That means for Dalit, for the EBC and for the Muslim. So that has been as far as when it comes to several hurdles there that the opposition Mahagathbandhan seems to be facing. And now Tejasvi and Rahul are expected to meet in the national capital.
ये बात थोड़ा सा आप जो कह रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा सही है। महागठबंधन थोड़ा सा अस्वस्थ हुआ है तो दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, और आपको पता है कि सब डॉक्टर दिल्ली में है, तो वहाँ पे बेहतर उपचार हो जाएगा और स्वस्थ होके हम लोग पटना लौटेंगे। बहुत ही अभी ये तो बात हमको भी नहीं पता है, लेकिन दिल्ली में जाके ये बात तो हमको भी नहीं पता, लेकिन दिल्ली जाके प्रॉपर सही डॉक्टर के पास जाके सही इलाज हो जाएगा।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, good morning. NDA seat sharing formula that has been finalized. However, when it comes to the opposition, the political party seems to be playing hardball.
Well, good morning, Amita. And yes, indeed, it seems like everything is not well within the Mahagathbandhan, and that is the only reason why till now there is no official announcement of seat sharing formula which is being done by these parties. As today, the RJD chief Tejasvi Yadav is expected to meet the Congress High Command, including the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge as well as leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, in the national capital. But it seems like there is no understanding which is being done within the Mahagathbandhan parties, as VIP is repeatedly demanding 40 seats to contest in the upcoming assembly elections. Not just that, but they also want the deputy chief minister position if Mahagathbandhan will come to power. In fact, the CPI-ML is also stating that they want their own choice of seats, as the seats which have been offered by the RJD, that is not satisfactory because they don't have anything on ground on these particular seats. On the other side, the Congress party is repeatedly making certain demands about the seats for the upcoming assembly elections, but it is RJD which is not willing to give them more than 55 seats in the assembly elections. So all of these discussions are going to take place today, and it seems like tomorrow we can expect that there will be official announcement of the seat sharing formula. However, the party workers, the state unit of Bihar Congress, are not really satisfied with the continuous delay in the official announcement of the seat sharing formula, and they are also giving this message to the party high command.
In the front, as far as when it comes to projecting the Mahagathbandhan, but over that, when we are thinking of several of those clashes over seat sharing that is still expected to take place ahead of this meeting that is now lined up between the 2 leaders in the national capital. Thank you very much for the moment, Nyamika, for joining in. But let's also